We are happy to report that the lines are now being charged, and overnight and leading up to tomorrow, the areas that had a challenge with water pressures would have their pressures restored.
Nanoma i-rainwater iniketele isicinisekiso sekuthi kutawuthi kusa lamuhla emanti abeseka khona. Kepha tindzawo letinyenti eningizimu eJozi solo tite emanti. Kantsi kuleli business lekuwasha timoto timfo timenzi.
We normally use this car wash. We know that it's a 5-star car wash with a lot of water, a lot of cars. There's a lot of cars here all the time, but right now there's nothing.
We just filled up the Jojo tanks like we normally do as a reserve, you know. Business is bad. That's all I can say.
Kule business yekwenta tinwele umsebenzi umile tisebenti tihleli.
We have lost a lot of customers here who wanted to do their hair, then they go to work, but they can't do because we can't wash them.
Lamanye emabhizinisi asele nemanti lamancane. Nemabhizinisi ekwakha nawo ancenga ngalawo manti lamancane. Ngesikhathi i-rainwater ibutwa ngalendzaba ivele yasithumela ku Johannesburg Water, kepha ke tincingo betikhala tingaphendvulo.